Hello fun and learn student of class 8th. In this video we will discuss chapter 5 of your geography, and the chapter name is moisture in the atmosphere. Now this chapter is very interesting and very much relevant today, that as now at this time the rainy season around the corner, and you'll finding the moisture in the atmosphere. You can see in the form of rain. You find it, the moisture in the atmosphere. So we will look in this chapter these kind of thing, how moisture create in atmosphere, what are its effect, and forms of moisture in the atmosphere. So we will discuss about these things in this chapter. Now, moisture in the atmosphere can be of the form of snow, rain, dew, fog. All these are the names of the moisture in the atmosphere. So how does it creates, we have to study in this chapter. So moisture in the atmosphere exists in gaseous, that is water vapor form, liquid form, that is in form of water drop, and in form of solid, that is snow. So there are three states, that is your gaseous, liquid, and solid state. Moisture is formed in the form of gas, it is water vapor; in the form of liquid, that is water drops, that is rain; and in the form of solid, that is your snow. These are found in the atmosphere. Now let's take it one by one. First is your evaporation. Now the most important form of moisture in the atmosphere is water vapor. Most of the water vapor in the atmosphere comes through evaporation of water from oceans, seas, gulfs, lakes, river, ponds, marshes, glacier, ice field, etc. It also comes from the moist ground and from plants and animals through transpiration. So evaporation takes place everywhere, at all times, and at all temperature. The rate of evaporation increases when the air is hot and windy. Definitely, when you have hot and dry air, this increases the evaporation, and decreases when the air is cold, moist, and calm. This is why you find evaporations taking faster rate in hot summer season, and with a lower rate in the your cold in the month of colder month, that is your December and January. Now let's discuss this figure of 5.1 of your book on page number 32. See here this figure, that is your three state is given: gaseous state, water, and ice. Now how they transform each other. So water, when it evaporate, it like this, it convert into gaseous state through the process of evaporation, like this here. Similarly, through sublimation, your solid state direct convert into gaseous state, and this state name is known as sublimation. Next is your melting state. When solid state is transferred into liquid state, is known as melting state. So sublimation, evaporation, and melting you have seen it. There is the opposite of it as well. See how gaseous state convert into water. This is known as condensation, like this. Gas is converting into water, liquid state. Similarly, water is converting into solid state through freezing, like this. Similarly, deposition, a gaseous state is converting into solid state. So this figure is of interchanging of various state is telling about the different states. So I think you have understood this figure and topic moisture and evaporation. In next video we will discuss another topic. So thank you students for that attending. Thank you.